Life after matric has been
Know what's good and know what's not good for us.
just stay humble, stay true to yourself, and believe in yourself.
Justin Bigere, every day is a chance to get better. Here to uplift, inspire, educate. Let's go.
Hey, yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, it's all about life after high school and how everyone has taken a different path. So watch till the end because this video is interesting, and comment down below if you have any comments because I'll be waiting for your comments, So before anything, I decided to feature my community on what do they think of life after high school, and here is it.
How has life been for you since you left high school?
Yeah, it's been shit.
Everything has just been shit, so
It has been shit, but it's working out fine.
Have you ever considered what lies beyond high school? The transition from high school to the next phase of life is a significant milestone that can evoke a range of emotions and thoughts. It is a time of great change and uncertainty, as you navigate through the possibilities and opportunities that await you. Life after high school opens up a world of new experiences, challenges, and responsibilities that can shape your future in profound ways. As you ponder the question of life after high school, it is important to reflect on your aspirations, goals, and dreams. This period marks the beginning of a new chapter in your life, where you have the freedom to explore different paths and carve out your own unique journey. Whether you choose to pursue higher education, enter the workforce, or embark on a different path altogether, the choices you make during this time can have a lasting impact on your future. Life after high school is a time of self-discovery and growth, where you have the opportunity to define who you are and what you want to achieve. It is a time to embrace new challenges, learn from your experiences, and continue to evolve as an individual. While the future may seem uncertain, it is also filled with endless possibilities and opportunities for personal and professional development. So, as you contemplate life after high school, remember that this is just the beginning of an exciting journey towards realizing your full potential.
Life after high school can be very challenging and stressful. For some, it may involve pursuing higher education to acquire specialized knowledge and skills in a particular field, And for some, it may be work immediately after graduation. I will say life after high school is all about self-discovery and exploration. It's the time we have the freedom to shape our own futures, Know what's good and know what's not good for us. We might be friends, but life after high school make us take different paths, and it's just the stage of life we have to accept honestly, So I was very curious to actually know how a friend that I know from high school is doing, so it made me set up an interview to get to know what's really going on their side. Sipokazi, nice to have you. How are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you, Justin?
I'm okay. Have you done an interview before?
Nah, this is my first time.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I figured the good place to start would be like playing a game,
Mm-hmm.
And so like the game is not be like to calm the nerves down, because I'm nervous personally. I don't know about
Same.
Okay, so like the game is number like just close our eyes for like 5 seconds, right? Mm-hmm. We both will be counting from 5 to 0.
Mm-hmm.
And then closing our eyes, breathing in and out. So like for demonstration, like
5 seconds.
5 seconds for demonstration. 5, 4, like that, okay?
Who's counting?
We both counting.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so like 3, 2, 1, go.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, how are you feeling?
Alright, let's get into it.
Okay, so like I'm feeling relaxed now.
Okay.
That's why I did that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so like getting into the topic of life after high school, personally for me, I wasn't ready because I didn't know much about the real world, okay?
Mm.
So it led me taking a gap here. So I want to know from you, how has life been for you since you left high school, Like, were you ready for like life after high school? Like, were you ready for the real world?
Yeah, you know what they say, when you finish school, they say that it's the actual start of like the reality. That's when you just face everything. And life after matric has been, it's been a lot of things. From the beginning of the year, well, I got my result on my birthday, so I wasn't really that much happy about them, but I was able to get into an institution. So right now I'm at a TVET college and I'm doing what I wanted to do then. So I'm not really sad about the school part, but Life hasn't been really nice. It's a lot. It's a lot, hey.
Okay, so like, and what have you learned about the real world? Like, what have you learned?
I've learned that you shouldn't count your chickens before they hatch.
Okay.
You shouldn't also expect much from the world or from people themselves, because you never know, how things are gonna turn out.
Yeah.
So also, if something happens or you come across situations, you should just roll with the punches and then get back up, because it's always gonna be chai out there.
I see. And let's say if you're to meet your high school self, what do you think she would think of you today? And like, how have you changed as a person?
The way I see things, I think that has changed. That's an aspect that has changed about me, the way I see things, because I always thought, you're just gonna finish matric, you're gonna go to varsity, everyone's dream and then graduate and that. But there's really just things that are just not gonna happen your way. So, me that is in high school now would say, she wouldn't really be disappointed with where I am now, but she would remind me that this is not what you planned for yourself, and do you see how things actually turned out, And maybe things actually turned out for the better, because if it turned out the way that I wanted them to, I wouldn't be happy maybe. But I'm really content with how my life is going right now, and I can't really complain. It's not supposed to be perfect.
What advice would you give people coming out of high school? I know both of us have finished high school, and like we're in the real world, like we are pushing
We're adults.
Adults, exactly. So what advice would you give people coming out of high school?
Just because you're done with school doesn't mean it doesn't mean that you're big enough. You're still gonna learn. You're still gonna be exposed to more problems. But just keep your head down. Just don't be forward, because this is life. I can't really say much because we all want different things. But whatever path you want to take, just stay humble, stay true to yourself, and believe in yourself. That's all I can say.
And me asking someone that I know how life has been, I learned that we shouldn't take what we have for granted. It may be small or big, but we should learn to appreciate it, They say you don't know what you have, but until you lose it, then you actually realize how important it is. Life can be unpredictable, but let's have the interest to learn. And every day is a chance to get better. And she said it doesn't have to be perfect, Life after graduation is really not for the weak. You are gonna face countless obstacles, temptation on the other side. You are gonna be judged because of society expecting you to do something else. So this life, like life after high school, is really not for the weak. Like you have to be prepared, guys, And of course, we don't have the final say. Only God does, and He shall make anything happen for His people. I see, guys, it's nice to have you, and sounds a great interview.
Daga. Should I pause?
You can, I don't know. So guys, that's the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't for more educational and inspiring content by Justin Bigere, and I'll see you next time.